All right, welcome to class. You're going to get a quick overview of what's going on today, so you should have a good understanding of what's expected of you. If you're in period 0, you're going to finish up by transferring material from your poster into your notebook. If you've been absent and you don't have the handout that we glued in yesterday, please make sure you get that so you can complete the work. If you finish your notebook work early, you can start the optional quiz review, which is on Google Classroom, or do other quiet work. Once we start the Cosmos episode, you won't be doing any work. I'll have all work put away before we start that video. I don't want you doing work in your notebook for my class or any other class during that video. If you're in periods 2 and 4, you're going to start out transferring material from your group poster into your notebook. Some of you may have some of that information already in other places in your notebook, but I'm going to have you fill in that table that we glued in on Monday. That will become part of your study guide. Later on in the slides, I'll show you a little bit more about how your notebook should be organized. After you do that, you're going to go to Google Classroom and complete the electromagnetic simulations. That worksheet is also the other side of the place where you're writing down the information from your poster. For the last 40 minutes of class, you're going to be watching Cosmos. You will not be doing work during the video. Everyone will just be watching the video. If you do finish items 1 or 2 early, you can work on the optional quiz review on Google Classroom or do other quiet work. My expectations for behavior should be pretty clear when we have a substitute teacher. Stay in your seat, get your work done, don't disrupt. If you do end up on a list for someone who's off task or disruptive, you will receive a detention. I would love to come back to a good report. Looking at your notebook, on the left side here you should have work in class that we did on Monday with circuits. You should have notes, just a few notes from class on Monday, and then this is the page that you glued in on Monday. If you were absent and don't have that, there are extra copies up front. You're going to start by filling, with this page, you're going to fill in words and pictures from your group poster. This will become part of your study guide. If you choose to do it, this is where you would write the answers to the online optional quiz preparation assignment. Our quiz is on, I put May 13th. It is not May 13th. It is March 13th. Let's see. Fixed. And then you're going to find that assignment on Google Classroom. We're starting with this. And here you're transferring information from your group's poster about a temporary magnet onto this page. In the top row, you write with words what's going on. Here you draw what you can see that is happening, and down below you draw what is invisible but that we know is happening inside those magnets. When you finish transferring the information from your poster to your notebook, you'll do this page next. You go to Google Classroom to find the 3 simulations, and you're going to take notes on these. There will be questions from these simulations on our quiz that will be on Wednesday the 13th. To find the links for Google Classroom, you look for the Electromagnetics Optional Quiz Review link on Google Classroom. And then please just go in order. Simulation 1, Simulation 2, Simulation 3 are listed in order on Google Classroom. And you'll notice on the handout it says Simulation 1, Simulation 2, and Simulation 3. So work through those in order. That's about it. Should be pretty straightforward. You'll have about 45 or 50 minutes to work on the stuff in your notebook, and then you'll spend some class time watching a Cosmos episode. Have a great day. Be good. I'll see you soon.